Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin sa'yo. Kasi unang-una, we need to protect our witnesses, no? And being the head of the station of Lucena during that time, and considering that the 8 accused who are now held in your station and will be magbe-bail siguro afterwards, I think it's incumbent upon us, no, to protect our witness.
Chairman.
Yes,
Actually, Chairman, ako, naubos na yung pasensya ko eh. Kahit sabihin ni CD na yung dalawang target, nag-usapan pagkatapos. Pero etong salaysay niya, he never even mentioned dito na 550 na tuloy yung operations. Di ba yun? After ng operation na yun, so-called legitimate, baka nakamaskarading mga yun, o nakabunet, wala siyang sinabi dito. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, wala. I am compelled to cite in contempt the city director of Lucena City.
Yes,
So move, Mr. Chairman.
so there's a motion to cite in contempt the former chief of police of Lucena in the name of Colonel Reyes. Any second the motion? Duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. So, there's
Mr. Chairman,
a motion for the
Mr. Chairman,
citing in contempt. Now, where to put?
Mr. Chairman, in violation of paragraph B of our rules, paragraph C of our rules, refusal truthfully to answer relevant queries by the committee members. B, di ba? Yeah. Letter C.
Letter C of
Yeah.
Section 11.
Yeah. And with that, Mr. Chairman, I move that the city director will be detained in the house premises for 30 days. And I also move, Mr. Chairman, that the sergeant at arms be directed to detain the city director of Lucena. So move, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion to put the our resource speaker Colonel Reyes in our detention for 30 days. Any second the motion? This was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. So the question now is whether hindi, meron na pala penalty. Also the former chief of police of Lucena will be put in our custody in the premises of the House of Representatives. So ordered.